So if you realize with these examples A and B, the numbers are increasing by 15. So in this case, you get a solid number of hours. So you don't have any form of remainder. But once the numbers now don't increase by 15, so for example with this one, this is 25, it's not increasing by 15 because 15 plus 15 would give you 30, and then 15 again, 45, and so on. So this is definitely going to give you a remainder, right? So you apply the same principle that we had before. We look at the hemispheres, we see east, we see west. They're different, so we're going to add. So 90 plus 25, we're left with 115 degrees, right? So because we're left with that now, we're going to divide to see how much we can get into that 115, right? So we're going to do it in the long division way. So we have 15 now divided by 115. So we know that we can get 7 solid hours out of that. 7 times 15 would give you 105. So you're now going to be left with a remainder of 10. So you have 7 hours, but guess what? You have 10 degrees remaining. Now remember this principle in terms of the 1 degree thing equal 4 minutes. You're now going to apply that down here. So this remainder that you have for 10 degrees, you're going to multiply it by 4. And in this case, you're going to be left with 40. So the total number of hours that you're working now would be 7 hours and 40 minutes. That's if the exam give you one like this, you'll be prepared to actually do it just in case. So now you're going to say to yourself, are you going to add the 7 hours and 40 minutes, or are you going to subtract it? So the fact that we start at 90 degrees over here and we're going 25 degrees east, which is over this side, we're going to add. So it means now that you're going to add 11 p.m. with 7 hours and 40 minutes. So if you do that, we should be left with 18 hours and 40 minutes. And if we convert that, we should be getting 6:40 a.m. And of course, the date is going to change, so you'd make a note of that. So it would be Monday, December 12th. That's just in case they give you one that is not increasing by 15, but for the others, you'd get a solid set of hours and you won't be getting things like 40, 740, 640, 620. You just get the solid time. And just to be safe, you can draw back your line diagram to check back with your answer.